make money with less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? I am going to motivate so many of y'all today because, in short, the answer is yes, you can indeed make money even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to share exactly how you're going to do that, okay? Of course, my name is Lashawnda Smith, and if you are new to me, hey girl, thank you for joining us. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for continuing to watch. Let's get right into it. So you may be losing motivation with YouTube because you're either not getting a lot of views, you're not getting a lot of subscribers, and the big thing, you're probably not monetized. Like if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, then you're not monetized on YouTube. So it's really hard to stay motivated about pursuing something when you're not seeing an immediate return. And a lot of people think that it takes for you to get monetized before you'll ever start making money on YouTube. But I want to debunk that myth because you can absolutely start making money before you've ever gotten monetized. And using my platform as an example, I have already made money from this platform before getting monetized. As of right now, I have about 710 subscribers. And shameless plug, if you are watching this, definitely drop in the comment section below what my current subscriber count is at, because I am actively and consistently growing now. And like I said, as of right now, I'm at 710 subscribers on here, and I have already made money. And I'm not even monetized. So you can absolutely make money on this platform, and I want this to motivate you to continue going because you don't know who's watching your content. You don't know where you're popping up in. I've had people recommending my YouTube channel in rooms that I'm not even in. Okay, let's just say that. I'm not even in the rooms and people are talking about my YouTube channel, and people can be doing that for you as well. So before I hop into how you can make money on YouTube, I want to quickly share my testimony as to how I've already made money on YouTube and I haven't even been monetized yet. So I created a planner video on how to create and sell planners, and I actually had someone stumble across that video and they actively reached out to me to, work with me or whatever. And I was able to book a client with that YouTube video, and at the time, I think I had like 500 YouTube subscribers at the time. And so it just goes to show that you are going to be getting in front of people who are already looking for a problem to be solved. They are actively looking to find a solution for their problem, and they're ready to take action. And so I think that's what's really so powerful about the platform YouTube itself, is because they're already attracting people who are interested in having their problem solved. So when they come across your YouTube channel, if you're offering a service, a product, a digital product, or whatever it is that you have for your business, and you're creating YouTube videos on solving the problem, and then you're giving them that next step of how to work with you or, what to purchase from you, then they're a lot more likely to purchase those things because you've already positioned yourself as an authority by being on YouTube and producing YouTube content. But then they kind of get a sneak peek of what it would be like to work with you because they get to see your personality through the video. They get to see if you guys would kind of mesh well and all these other things. And then they also see that you've positioned yourself as an authority and knowing what you're talking about. So I strongly suggest, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, make sure that you are putting in your description box, any important links, whether it's Amazon affiliate links, whether, there's a specific software or website that you recommend. Almost every platform that you use online now, you can do an affiliate program attached to it where it's like, hey, refer a friend and, you get $20 and they get $20, or, refer a friend and you get a certain percentage in affiliate and then they get a percentage off on the service. Start using those links, y'all. When I was promoting and helping people start a podcast, I got so much money off of just recommending for my clients and people who took my course to join Buzzsprout. And so every time someone joined Buzzsprout using my affiliate link, I got, I think it was like $20 or $25 per person. And I haven't paid for Buzzsprout in almost a year because I've just been letting it be used as a credit on Buzzsprout. But I could take it out. I could take it out and get cash money just for recommending Buzzsprout. And so using that as an example, if you were to use affiliates or affiliate programs or affiliate links in order to make money off of your platform or off of YouTube, all you would do is create a few videos talking about that platform. Like, this is why I recommend using this platform. This is what you should be using if you're trying to do this. So if I wanted to, create a YouTube video, which is coming, okay? This is definitely coming. If I wanted to create a YouTube video specifically about what platform you should use as your podcast host, of course, I'm going to plug Buzzsprout, and I'm going to put in the description box the direct link for them to click to sign up for Buzzsprout. And anyone on that YouTube video that decides to join Buzzsprout, I'm going to get an affiliate, I'm going to get an affiliate commission off of them using that. So find different ways in your niche that you can do that for your business. So that's one way. The second thing I want to talk about is offering your services and your products. So if you are a coach or a consultant or maybe even a real estate agent, and you have your discovery call links already together, you already have like your important links for how people can book a service with you, that's where the money resides on YouTube. I know for me personally, even though I did book a client, kind of like on a one-on-one container, which I said I wasn't doing no more, but this one person, it was an exception, okay? But I was able to make money just from having the important information in my description. So I had my email address in there, my website, I had every way that you could get in touch with me in my description. So even if you're just randomly talking about, something on YouTube, like on my planner video, I didn't even pitch anything on that video. I didn't pitch that I could help people create and sell planners. I didn't pitch a product on that video. I was literally just sharing with them how to create and sell planners for themselves. And my client actively went to my description box, found my information, and reached out to me via email and through Instagram. So use your description box as that vessel if you offer a service or some type of product, and pitch it in your videos. Let them know, like, hey, if you would like to learn how to do this, or if you would like a consultation, I'm going to put the link in the description box. I will give you one disclaimer though. Whenever you're putting free consultations and stuff, I want you to consider what will happen if that video just so happens to hit 100,000 subscribers. Because I've heard people do that where they were offering free consults or something like that when they were a smaller YouTube channel. And then when that video started doing well, or when their channel started blowing up, a lot of people were asking for free one-on-one consults, and they couldn't sustain it. You know what I'm saying? So they had to take it off. And then people were like, oh, what happened to the link? Are you not offering this anymore? So just keep in mind whenever you are promoting your service or something like that, try to be mindful of the amount of people that could potentially see your video, but absolutely plug it in your video if possible, and also plug it in the description box so that way it's easy access for the people that are watching the video. And digital products, oh my God. Digital products is like the money grail for YouTube if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. I am personally working on my digital products right now to get on my YouTube channel, but here's what you do. So if you have digital products already created, or maybe you don't have a digital product yet, start thinking about, what can I create in Canva? Okay, because Canva is bae. What can I create in Canva that I can offer for like $10, $27, maybe even $47 or $97, depending on what you're creating, so you could drop that in the description box. You want it to be something that's going to solve that person's problem. And imagine if you have a digital product in the description box of your video, in the same scenario, that video hits 100,000 views, right? Even if you get 5% of those people to go ahead and purchase, you're making some money. You're making some money. So you want to think about, let's bring it back to the less than 1,000 subscribers. Even though you may start off with less than 1,000 subscribers, this is essentially setting the foundation for your brand and setting the foundation for your business. Because it may start off with people purchasing it here and there, because you may be getting 500 views here, or 200 views there. But you have no idea how many people of those 200 views are ready for that next step. And by you offering a digital product and 5% of those people purchase from you, you're making money even though you're not monetized. So you want to think with the long term in mind, but you also want to think with the short term in mind as well, where you are. In short term, yeah, it may start off with like you making money here and there, but imagine putting that link in multiple description boxes and then people are starting to purchase more from you. Even though you're not monetized on YouTube, you're still bringing in revenue in your business. And then as your channel takes off, those sales on those digital products also go take off, okay? So that's what we want on our channel. So those are the main ways that you can start bringing in revenue now. I strongly suggest, if you don't have these things set up on your YouTube channel yet, go ahead and start working towards getting this stuff put on your YouTube channel. I would strongly suggest, if you have things that you're going to be mentioning in every single video, go ahead and create something called a default description. And you could do this in your YouTube studio. Just put everything that you want, including your social media handles, your website, any type of links for your services and products. If you have a PO box, put that in there. And so that way, every single time you post a video, it's going to automatically generate that default description where you don't have to keep putting everything every single time. So that's how I have mine, and you can make adjustments as you go through. If there are specific links that you're referencing in your particular video, what you could also do is create a comment under your YouTube video with the specific links that you mentioned, just to make it easier for them to find, and then just pin it to the top. Bam, there you go. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about different ways you can make money on YouTube and what steps you need to take in order to get this done, definitely leave your comments and thoughts below, and I will make additional videos to help you get that set up. I'm still creating a lot of content right now, so any ideas that you guys have in reference to questions, your questions are my video ideas. Those are the things that I create for you guys, as well as other resources that I feel will be very helpful for you. And if you've made it this far, then I want to recommend an additional video for you on how to get your first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So definitely check that video out. I have a new setup, so I always feel like I don't know which side the icon is going to be on, but I will put it in the icon up there so that you can check out that video. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.